Okay, so I threw the floppy drive in here. We're gonna do that. That's the only thing I wasn't able to test because it has no power connector. That's standard, and hopefully it's not the culprit to killing the power supply. Because if it fails again, I don't know if I want to spend the money to fix it. So let's see. Ooh, she did not power up. She did not want to turn on. Might be the culprit. Ooh, I don't know. Let's take this out real quick. Uh-oh. May do not have power. I think I might have killed it. I think the floppy drive killed it. Yep. Plug this in to find out that it's gonna die. I'll try to save it if it doesn't power up here. I need two hands. Need to do this real fast if it doesn't power up. I don't know if there's voltage protection. I don't know. I don't want to go through the pain of having to replace all these things. I think this floppy drive is bad. I really don't know. No. I think this floppy drive is bad. Yep, I think that floppy drive is bad.